Hello and welcome back. Today we have the third of 9 Maeven boxes to share with you today. So let's see what's inside. First we have this gorgeous tea or coffee mug made out of glass. It's very simple but very elegant. We have a ornament and or a bag tag. It says our adventure begins. It's very well made out of resin, it looks like. We have a if I can get it to work. Clumsy me. We have a beautiful sign for any kind of drink table, for any kind of party that you're going to have. This is really nice to have. We have ring balloons, decorations for a party, or any other event that you feel they might be useful for. We have a set of very fluffy socks that has bride vibes on the bottom. They're non-slip. And last but not least, we have this beautiful knit stocking cap for winter. This month's advice is on lighting and atmosphere and how to keep it in your budget. Maeven always sends some very good advice from what I've read. And that's it for this box. I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday, and we'll see you next time.